Hi, Tony here from Bathroom Spare Parts. Today we're looking at the Thomas Dudley Hydroflo brass tail side inlet valve 324299. Right, this is another straightforward one. Obviously the usual large nut and a thread. So this one just very easily undoes. There's the washer in there when you want to renew that. You can see it drops in there. Then obviously replace this. When you replace this, there's a little cutout, hopefully you can see, and there's a little spigot on there, so that needs to be aligned. Like so. Here we have the side version of the one we did earlier. You saw the Dudley Telescopic Hydroflo. This is just a side entry Hydroflo, so it's identical, the connection to access the diaphragm. This is the 324299.